And I think it's really exciting for us to be part of the TEDx community. We are coming together with partners that we wouldn't have been exposed to before. To think about the challenges that we are facing is really something very different and something that we're really excited to be part of.
TEDxGlasgow has been great in showing me new insights, enabling me to share experiences, to learn from others and generate new ideas.
We have over 20,000 people at PwC, and through the Countless platform, encouraging individuals to make pledges to reduce their individual carbon emission.
People are at the heart of everything that we do in terms of fire prevention, zero deforestation, sustainable livelihoods and so much more. Working with TEDxGlasgow in Society Acts allows us to create the emphasis and the dialogue around this on a global scale.
It's always important to see what other companies are doing in their industries, to learn from them, to talk to them, to discuss the challenges and to find solutions together.
We're really excited to collaborate with other TEDx partners and identify those who've got the shared values with us and ambition, and figuring out what interesting work that we can do together in the future.
Climate change is a too big an issue to be solved by any single organisation on their own. So we need to work collaboratively in new ways, forming new consortia at a scale that previously haven't existed before, and that's what today in TEDxGlasgow is all about.